I don't deserve to lose my freedom in this way. You monster! If you think that what you've done is right, well then, you're a fool. Think again. Is this home? Is this where I should learn to be happy? Never dreamed that the home could be dark and cold. I was told every day in my childhood, even when we grow old, home will be where the heart is. Never farewell so true. My heart's far, far away. Home is true. What I give to return to the life that I knew lately, and to think I complain of that those provincial town. Is this home? Am I here for a day or forever? Shut away from the world until who knows when. Oh, but then, as my life has been altered, once can change again. Build higher walls around me, shake every lock and key, but nothing lasts.